Welcome to Pro Wheelhouse. Today, we're diving into the world of ultimate performance and timeless design, the 2025 Suzuki Hayabusa. Known globally as the ultimate sport bike, the Hayabusa has always stood for power, precision, and prestige. For 2025, Suzuki refines this legendary machine with modern updates, advanced electronics, and a style that pays tribute to its racing DNA while adapting to the future of superbikes. Design and aerodynamics, built to cut through the wind. The first thing that strikes you about the 2025 Hayabusa is its commanding design. Every curve and contour has been sculpted with purpose. The signature long body, aggressive front fascia, and smooth aerodynamic silhouette make it instantly recognizable. Suzuki engineers have spent countless hours in wind tunnels to reduce drag and improve stability at high speeds. The twin LED headlamps with integrated turn signals add a futuristic touch, while the sleek rear tail section gives it a refined yet muscular appearance. The 2025 edition offers bold new color schemes, including metallic thunder gray, glass blaze orange, and pearl brilliant white, all emphasizing its dominant character on the road. Engine and performance, the heart of the beast. Under the sculpted body lies the same legendary 1,340 cubic centimeters inline-4 engine, now fine-tuned to meet global emission standards without losing its raw power. Suzuki has optimized the intake and exhaust systems, improved combustion efficiency, and introduced advanced cooling for better performance under extreme conditions. The 2025 Hayabusa produces 190 horsepower and 150 Nm of torque, delivering instant throttle response and mind-blowing acceleration. The seamless 6-speed gearbox combined with Suzuki's bidirectional quick-shift system makes gear changes effortless, whether you're cruising the highway or pushing limits on the track. Suzuki's ride-by-wire system ensures precision control, while the SDMS Alpha, Suzuki Drive Mode Selector Alpha, offers 3 engine modes and adjustable power delivery settings, allowing riders to tailor the performance to any road or riding style. Electronics and technology, smarter, safer, sharper. Suzuki has packed the 2025 Hayabusa with a full suite of intelligent rider aids. The IMU-based electronic control system governs multiple safety and performance features, including motion track traction control for optimal grip, anti-lift control to prevent wheelies during hard acceleration, launch control system for lightning-fast starts, cruise control and hill hold control for added convenience, cornering ABS for confident braking in any lean angle. The cockpit is a blend of analog beauty and digital intelligence. The new TFT color display sits between the classic analog dials, showing riding modes, lean angle, gear position, and more. Riders can also connect their smartphones via Suzuki's MySpin app, providing navigation, music, and call control right from the dashboard. Ride and handling, precision at every corner. The Hayabusa's aluminum twin-spar frame remains a masterpiece of engineering, lightweight yet rigid enough to handle massive power. The KYB fully adjustable suspension offers the perfect balance between comfort and cornering stability. Suzuki has refined the steering geometry for improved agility while maintaining the long, stable wheelbase that defines the Hayabusa's confidence at high speeds. The Brembo Stylema front calipers with dual 320mm discs and the Bridgestone Batlax Hypersport S22 tires ensure unmatched grip and stopping power. On highways, the Hayabusa glides effortlessly, delivering a smooth and controlled ride. On twisty roads, it becomes a precision instrument, agile, balanced, and always eager to push further. Comfort and practicality, luxury in motion. Despite its superbike DNA, the 2025 Hayabusa doesn't compromise on comfort. The ergonomics have been slightly adjusted for a more natural riding posture. The seat is wider and better padded, ensuring long rides remain fatigue-free. Suzuki also offers optional heated grips, a larger touring screen, and hard luggage accessories for those who want to turn their Hayabusa into the ultimate sport touring machine. Every ride feels premium, from the soft touch of the controls to the aerodynamic protection at high speeds. Price and availability, power within reach. The 2025 Suzuki Hayabusa is expected to start around $19,999, depending on the region and optional packages. For a machine that delivers this level of power, technology, and legacy, it remains one of the best value propositions in the hyperbike category. Final thoughts, the legend lives on. The 2025 Suzuki Hayabusa isn't just a motorcycle, it's a statement of dominance, engineering excellence, and timeless allure. Suzuki continues to prove that the Hayabusa stands above trends, balancing brute power with refined control. Whether you're a longtime fan or a new rider dreaming of a superbike that does it all, the 2025 Hayabusa remains the gold standard. Pro Wheelhouse salutes this living legend, the motorcycle that redefines speed, elegance, and endurance with every ride.